So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Adani Port share. So we know today we have seen huge correction in the market, especially Nifty followed by Bank Nifty. So all the large cap companies have corrected drastically. So one such stock is Adani Ports. So many people are in panic mind that whether we should sell the stocks which we are holding, because after back to back correction, so this sort of thinking develops. So clearly I told and I'll keep telling that don't sell your holdings. So keep holding. So this is the best time to average. So think in that way and search some best quality stocks which have given some very good quarter result. Fundamentals are very good. So in that way, you need to accumulate some good companies. So we personally discussed few stocks yesterday. So despite today's correction, so few stocks that we discussed still remained in the positive side and have given more than 10% up move. Okay, so that is the essence of fundamentals. So coming to Adani Ports, we know this stock quarter results were also declared recently and they were not that expected, and ultimately because of that one reason, and finally market also was in a little negative sentiment as we discussed yesterday. So that made the stock even come down. Okay, so we'll try to discuss both the technicals and delivery percentage on day-to-day basis. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram I'll keep updating some very good stocks both technically and fundamentally. So I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so if we try to observe the day-to-day wise deliverables in Adani Ports, so we can see volatility wise we have seen little bit of decrement, and delivery percentage also has increased significantly in the last 5 to 6 sessions. But today, as we know, Nifty almost approached 2% downfall, so that is not a joke. So on that reason, even the stock has accelerated more than 7% downfall. So obviously volatility has increased. So trading activity has also increased, and most importantly today was the monthly expiry. So very huge contracts will be settled. So on that note, volatility was present in the market and followed by in the stocks as well. And percentage delivery wise, we can see on day-to-day basis very good increment is present. So this is very good stock, but financials were not that expected. So this is one thing you need to remember. So when a large cap company whose financials are not consistent, so obviously a negative impression would be created in the market and profit booking happens. So this is common. So don't think that it's a correction phase. Even if correction happens, so try to see the best support regions and average. So we'll discuss what is the best region that we need to focus. So quickly let's move on to technical charts. Okay, so first if we move towards the weekly chart time frame, and if we see this particular week, so last week also we have seen a huge candle where the sell-off has started from above 800 rupees level, and today significantly it has come even below 700, and you can see current level is around 680 rupees. So if you see the chart clearly, you can see here we have a very strong support, that is near the 650 rupees level. So almost the stock has tested first time, second time, and followed with third time as well. The stock has approached the 650 rupees level on weekly chart. So we can consider as on long term time frame, so this 650 rupees level would be very important, and if it sustains there and if it gives any sort of reversal, let's say it forms a doji candle, and if it forms a very good green candle, so then you can search for buying opportunities in the 650 rupees level. So even if you miss exactly the 650, don't worry about that, because confirmation is necessary. If you take exactly at 650 and if it gives a breakdown, so it will be struck in that particular region. So to avoid that, so wait for the 650 rupees level to be tested very well. So if it respects that and if it gives a retracement, so there you can search for buying opportunity. So after that, immediately it can cross the 700 followed by 750, because from there itself it is a strong reversal zone. Okay, so this is on weekly chart. And moving further towards money flow index, you can see that is near 52. So from highly not highly, we can say from the overbought region. Earlier it was around 70, 80, so now it has come to 52, so which is considerably, we can say, little sell off pressure is already observed. So still if it goes down, so 650 is the best support that you need to watch out. So this is in weekly chart. So let's even confirm on daily chart. Okay, so next, moving further towards daily chart, so here we can observe a trend line, right? So this particular trend line where the 680 or 670 rupees level is acting as a very strong support, so you can also focus that particular region as a very strong support. So if it breaks the 670 or 675 rupees level, so directly it will come to the 650. So that is going to be the ultimate support that you need to focus. So if not, if it sustains the 670, so there also you can search for a quick buying opportunity only for swing trading. So for long term confirmation, you can wait for 650, and if possible reversal happens, you can search for average as well. Okay. So in daily chart, you can see continuous red candles have been initiated. So obviously the momentum on selling side is huge. So chances are there, if it breaks this particular level of 675, it may slide down to 650, which we discussed in the weekly chart. So these are the near term levels that you need to focus. So any other further queries you want to ask, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.